Let me show you all of the gestures and motions available on the Poco X7. So first of all, we need to open a settings on my device right here. Then we can scroll down looking for the additional settings. Now select gesture shortcuts from the list and we'll see all of the options inside. First one is launch digital assistant by pressing a power button for half a second, and you can find it right here. When the option is active, it will do exactly what it says to do. So I have it enabled. And here's Google Assistant. Next is take a screenshot. There's two options. You can slide 3 fingers from top of the screen to capture a screenshot, or use volume down and the power button to also make that screenshot. Next one is partial screenshot. If you hold 3 fingers to your screen, then you'll be able to capture a partial screenshot. And then next one is launch camera. There's 2 options. First one is double press power button to open camera. Second one is double press volume down button when the screen is locked to also launch the camera. Now next is turn on flashlight, and here you will need to replace it from the camera option for a double press power button, and if you click on it, it will activate a flashlight. And if you click again, it will deactivate. And that is basically everything.